Hello people, Kevin Thailand here. A bit throaty, a bit voicey. Hey. Today, going to show you another high class, high ranking hotel, 5-star. And we're on Beach Road. Just along from the Hilton there. And we're at the Wave Hotel. Very high class. 6,500 baht a night. And I'll show you around. One of their main little features outside is this replica 1936 Cadillac V16, 37. My apologies. Little bit of write up about it. I would like to be paying for a new one or an original. At the front here is the first pool opposite the beach. Oh yeah, good morning.
Would I do swimming?
Oh no, not me. No swimming me.
Tonight you okay?
Yeah, all good. So this is the first pool area. There's Mark here, look. He's brought the family down. They have 2 rooms. He wants to go up to the Pepper and Salt tonight. We'll have a little glimpse of that again with all of them there. It's a lovely hotel. Very, very well located along Beach Road. So let's pop in and have a look at the inside, show you the rooms. Then they'll show you the second pool around the back, which has the Bay View Hotel. It's part of the Wave. So let's have a quick look inside. This is the reception area. Breakfast, buffet.
No, cooked to order.
All cooked to order.
Cooked to order.
Breakfast is cooked to order.
Very good it is, sir.
Right, we'll go up, show you the rooms. All the decor in the Wave is like 1940s. The rooms. So you come straight in the room. You've got the bathroom. Beautiful size bath. Shower. They leave robes out for you. Oh, that one in there, good. Not good sized beds. And the views. Obviously you're on Beach Road. Go out onto there. Views are beautiful. When you book as a suite, they have these connecting doors. Or as a single room, obviously close them, lock them up. All full facilities, 4-poster bed, very nice. They're using it as a suite. This would normally be a chaise lounge. And so no one should go out looking as some people do. They'll have a nice full-size mirrors. And as I say, all the decor and pictures, photos, images are all from the look like 40s, 50s. Another big mirror. I suppose it's to make it look bigger, but bathrooms are all the same. Very nice rooms. 6,500 a night. I dare say they should be. But all fantastic views. So that's the rooms. Let's have a look at the second pool. So we come to the rear of the hotel, to the second swimming pool. All very nice. The Wave Hotel is fully wheelchair accessible. Everywhere you've got ramps for wheelchair accessibility. Even in the lift you have two sets of controls. One on the front, normal by the doors, one on the side, lower down for wheelchair users. So that's a nice touch. The 6,500 baht a night was for one night only, so, and once again was spur of the moment, booked the day before. So check it on Agoda, whatever you want to do, whichever one you use, and check rates for a week, 2 week holidays, not one nights. Always charge more for one night, plus they've had a suite. So, but there's the Bay View shares the pool here. It is part of the Wave group. So that's the Wave Hotel, Beach Road, Pattaya. Very nice. Well, you wouldn't believe where I am. I've come back here. You remember Mark from the Eureka? He wanted to try the pepper and salt, and he's brought all his family with him down from Chonburi. Know it? Hello. This is Mark's wife, Noe.
Tom Chai. Nong. Look. Chun. Kaimuk.
Who?
Kaimuk.
Kaimuk. P-Ban.
Andrew.
Andrew's from Chesterfield.
And not to last but not least.
No, last but not least. Pong. No, she's not shy. So Mark's brought the family down, and we're staying at, these are all staying at the Wave in Beach Road, but we've come down from Chonburi, where Mark lives with the family, and Chesterfield. So we're going to be having a big old feast and showing you it. Why not? Spaghetti. Right, just to quickly show you, because I haven't shown you these yet, the lamb shanks at the pepper and salt. You get two for 275 baht. This is Andrew with the pork sirloin, not yet, with pepper sauce. How much is it? 275. Yeah, I thought it might be. This is Mark
With the ribs,
with the ribs a la special.
275.
275. Look at them ribs, look at them ribs. Now what we're doing,
We are going to have
we're
an
going
half
to
and
have
half.
a 50-50. I'm going to have 50% of the ribs for one of my lamb shanks. Yeah, and why not? Pong has had pork chops, and she couldn't wait. She stuck straight into them. But not as much as Greedy get over there. She's done a lot. She's got bones left. So there is not any food here.
Okay.
All gone. All gone.
Chili is
Chili
really
sauce. Ooh.
spicy for you.
Spicy?
but
No, I cannot have spicy. Too much. Too much.
But it's
but-
Thai people is like
Yeah, very good.
very good.
Hello, Mama.
อะไรมาก you need Thai
No, I don't. I cannot eat chili.
Okay.
Oh. So all they got up here left is bones. But me and Mark we're gonna have a 50-50. Mark's getting one of my lamb shanks. I'll be honest with you. I'm looking. He's gonna get that one. That's smaller. So we'll carry on now, and we're gonna have a share up on the ribs and the lamb shank. Hello, camera. Hello.